back to our channel. I'm Sparkle.
And I'm Shelly.
And today's video, we just want to do a part 2 of the Pattern Beauty line. As you would have seen on our last Pattern Beauty video, we tested out the hydration shampoo, the heavy conditioner for coilies, and the leave-in conditioner. So if you already seen our video, you already know our thoughts on the line. But I personally wanted to give this line another shot. I really wanted to like something from Tracee Ellis Ross's line. So I've been hearing some good reviews on the Pattern Intensive. I don't know if you can see that. It's hard to see. The Intensive Conditioner for tight textures. And like I mentioned before in the previous Pattern Beauty video, that I couldn't really use anything from the line because I have skin allergies. So there were some ingredients in the Pattern Beauty line that I can't use. So I'm allergic to tea tree, and I think did the leave-in have the tea tree in it? I can't remember.
I'm not sure. Maybe.
Yeah, one of them have tea tree in it, and I can't use tea tree because I'm allergic, and propylene glycol. So anything that ends in glycol, I can't use. So, which leads me to the intensive conditioner because it doesn't have those two ingredients that I'm allergic to. So I really wanted to try it, and I did. So I only got the travel size, so it's the 3 ounces. And I guess just for starters, I'll just talk about the actual texture of the conditioner. So as you can see here, I don't know if you can see it, but it's still really thick. Still smells amazing, similar to the heavy conditioner, but it's not as thick as the heavy conditioner, which is surprising to me because, you know, you would think that the intensive conditioner would be way thicker than the heavy conditioner, which I found very interesting. So because, you know, when we tested it out, it was kind of like dumplings.
Yeah.
So if you're in the Caribbean, you know what we talking about. But it looked like or felt like dumplings. That's what it looked like and felt like. But this one, it just felt like a regular heavy conditioner, which I liked. So that's one thing. And then as far as how it felt in my hair, it really felt good. Like I had like a lot of slip, more so than the heavy conditioner. With the heavy conditioner, I don't know, it just didn't do anything for my hair. It had some slip, but not enough. So it took me a while longer to detangle my hair because it didn't have enough slip that my hair likes. But with this one, it had a lot more slip and it felt really good. Like as soon as I put it in my hands and I rubbed it together and went through my curls, I already knew that the detangling process was going to be easy. So that's the second thing. And then I used it as a deep conditioner. So it says that you can leave this in your hair for like 10 minutes as a repair treatment mask to help restore and revitalize your curls. So I used it as a deep conditioning treatment. I stayed under the heated dryer for like 20 minutes because usually I deep condition my hair for 20 minutes. And when I washed out my hair, it didn't really feel, I don't know what's the word. It didn't, as far as a deep conditioning treatment, it didn't really do much. But what I can say, it's a good rinse out conditioner.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So, sometimes if I have to, like restyle my hair, like in the middle of the week, like if it's like really messy and I just need to just do my hair over, like co-wash and all that, this would be a good rinse out conditioner, because I only deep condition my hair like once a week, which is usually on the weekends. That's my wash day. But like if in the middle of the week for whatever, I'll use this as a rinse out conditioner. But as a deep conditioner, I don't think it did much. So what I can say is my final thoughts is I really do like this conditioner. I really do. Rochelle's looking at me like, really, sis? Really?
Well, I mean, from what she's saying, I will give it. I wouldn't mind giving it a try. Like, and a lot of people have given good reviews on that particular conditioner of the line, so it's worth a shot.
Yeah. So, I guess as far as a deep conditioning treatment, like I said, don't waste your time. It's not going to do anything for your hair. But as far as a rinse out conditioner, it's really good. And I even seen some people use it as a leave-in conditioner. So if you would like to try it as a leave-in conditioner, you can try it out, because I think the Glam Twins.
Oh, yes.
They used it.
Yeah. Shout out to y'all, girls.
Yes.
We love y'all, but they used it.
Yes, best friends in our head.
Yeah.
But yeah, they use it as a leave-in treatment, leave-in conditioner. So, but yeah. So those are my thoughts on the intensive conditioner. You can go out. I think they're restocking on the website very soon. So you can go and get this on Tracy Ellis Ross's Pattern Beauty website. Or you can go to Ulta's. They sell at Ulta's too. So, but yeah, I give it a thumbs up.
Yes, and I will be revisiting this conditioner myself as soon as she comes out with her styler. Honestly, I want to just try styling my hair the whole way.
Yeah. So those are our thoughts. And yeah, if you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.